Hello, and welcome to Genie. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Delta Force on your PC. Whether you want to get it from the official website or via Steam, I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. Option 1. Download from the official Delta Force website. Visit the official website. Open your browser and search for Delta Force official website, or go directly to the Delta Force website. Locate the download option. Once on the website, look for the PC download option. It's usually highlighted on the homepage or under a download section. Download the installer. Click on the PC download button. Save the .x installer file to your computer. Run the installer. Double-click on the downloaded file to launch the installation. Choose your preferred installation location, drive or folder. Complete the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the installation. Once done, you're ready to launch Delta Force and start playing. Option 2. Download and install via Steam. Install Steam if not already installed. Go to your browser, search for Steam, and visit the official Steam website. Download the Steam client and install it on your PC. Log in to Steam, open Steam, and log in with your account. If you don't have one, create a new account. It's free. Search for Delta Force. In the Steam client, go to the search bar and type Delta Force. Click on the Delta Force game page. Download the game. Look for the Play Game or Download button. Click it, and the game will be added to your Steam library. Install and play. Go to your Steam library. Find Delta Force and click Install. Once installed, click Play to start your Delta Force adventure. Now you know 2 simple ways to download and install Delta Force on your PC. Choose the method that works best for you and dive into the action-packed world of Delta Force. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Genie, and hit the notification bell for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.